Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Is your PS5 Pro Controller giving you trouble? You are definitely not alone. Many players experience common issues like frustrating stick drift, buttons that do not respond, or even sudden connection drops mid-game. These problems can really disrupt your gameplay, but don't worry, there are effective solutions. We will walk you through several simple yet powerful steps to help get your controller back into perfect working order. Let's get started. Sometimes, the quickest fixes are the most effective ones. First, try a complete power cycle by simply turning off your PS5 console, waiting a few moments, and then turning it back on. Next, locate the small reset button on the back of your controller. Use a pin to press it for 5 seconds. Finally, repair your controller to your PS5 using the USB cable. These basic steps often resolve many common connectivity and performance glitches, getting you back in the game fast. In 2025, keeping your software current is more important than ever. Always make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is updated to the very latest version available. More crucially, your PS5 Pro Controller also receives its own firmware updates, which are vital for optimal performance and fixing known bugs. Navigate to your console settings to manually check for and apply any dedicated controller firmware updates. Staying updated can resolve many mysterious issues and enhance your overall experience. If basic steps and software updates haven't worked, it's time for a deeper look. Start by gently cleaning around your controller's buttons and joysticks. Use a soft, dry cloth or some compressed air to remove any hidden dust or debris. This often fixes minor stickiness. For persistent stick drift, explore the joystick calibration options found within your PS5 settings or accessibility features. Also, ensure both your console's USB ports and your controller's cable are completely clean and fully functional. If all these troubleshooting steps haven't fixed your PS5 Pro Controller, it might be time for professional help. Your first step should be contacting PlayStation support directly. Remember to check your controller's warranty status, as it might still be covered, even in 2025. When you reach out, clearly explain the problems you're facing. Also, detail all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This precise information will help them diagnose the issue more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.